Good morning, students. So today we will start chapter 3 of chemistry, that is synthetic fibers and plastics. So we all wear different kinds of clothes like cotton clothes, woolen clothes. There are many other stuff also, but so all clothes are made up of fiber. हम अलग अलग तरह के कपड़े अलग अलग तरह के कपड़े पहनते हैं, लाइक कॉटन क्लॉथ्स पहनते हैं इन समर, वुलन क्लॉथ्स इन विंटर। देयर आर मैनी अदर स्टफ्स, और भी बहुत सारे स्टफ्स होते हैं, बट जितने भी क्लॉथ्स हैं ये सब किसके बने होते हैं? फाइबर के। फाइबर आर बेसिकली थ्रेड। सो फाइबर आर कैटेगराइज्ड इनटू द टू मेन टाइप। फर्स्ट इज नेचुरल फाइबर, सेकेंड इज सिंथेटिक फाइबर. So what is natural fiber? The fiber which are obtained from natural sources like plants and animals are called natural fibers. The fiber जो हमें obtained होता है नेचुरल सोर्सेज से, जैसे प्लांट्स है, एनिमल्स है, ये सब नेचुरल सोर्सेज है। ऐसे फाइबर को हम कहते हैं नेचुरल फाइबर. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ नेचुरल फाइबर्स आर कॉटन, wool, silk. Cotton we get it from the cotton plant, wool we get it from the sheep or many other animals, silk we get it from the silkworm. Second type of fiber is synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are not naturally occurring, they are synthesized or manufactured by man in factories. सिंथेटिक फाइबर जो होते हैं हमें नेचुरली नहीं मिलते हैं, उन्हें हम बनाते हैं फैक्ट्रीज़ में या केमिकल इंडस्ट्रीज़ में विद द हेल्प ऑफ द chemicals. The example of synthetic fibers are nylon, rayon, polyester, etc. So synthetic fibers are the fibers which are made by humans in the industries or factories. That is why they are also called man-made or artificial fiber. Now we learn about composition of synthetic fibers. What synthetic fibers are made up of? Let us understand this with the help of example. All you have seen a garland of beads. आप सब ने मोतियों की माला तो देखी होगी. If we take a single bead or even many single beads, अगर हम एक single bead लेते हैं, बहुत सारे single beads लेते हैं like this. Now we put a thread in between and join these beads with a thread which becomes a garland of beads, जो कि एक माला की तरह बन जाएंगे. Similarly, synthetic fibers are also a chain of small units joined together chemically. Let us understand some more terms. First is monomers. As the name suggests, mono means one, mer means unit. So the small units which combine together chemically to form a large units are called monomers. Means look at the bead. Example, each bead is a monomer of the garland. Next term is polymer. Small units are combining together chemically to form a large unit, so that large unit is called polymer. ये जो स्मॉल यूनिट्स होते हैं, जैसे बीड्स का एग्जांपल लिया था, सिंगल बीड्स को तो हमने मोनोमर कहा था, बट जब ये बीड्स को हमने थ्रेड की हेल्प से कंबाइन कर दिया था तो वो क्या बन गए थे? पॉलीमर. अगेन आई रिपीट, स्मॉल यूनिट्स आर कंबाइनिंग टुगेदर केमिकली टू फॉर्म अ लार्ज यूनिट, so that the large units is called polymer. Poly means many, mer means unit. जब हम बहुत सारे यूनिट्स को कंबाइन करते हैं तो क्या बन जाता है? पॉलीमर. ऑल सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स आर पॉलीमर्स. जितने भी सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स हैं वो सब क्या होते हैं? पॉलीमर्स. दे आर मेड अप ऑफ स्मॉल यूनिट्स ज्वाइन टुगेदर केमिकली. Example of this is a single unit of monomers. These all are monomers, so they are joining chemically to form a polymer. You can see a long chain of polymers. These are the chemical bonds. These are the chemical bonds So this is a polymer, and the process of which monomers are combined together to form a polymer is known as the polymerization. There are different kind of polymers. Some naturally occurring polymers are also there. The example of such is cellulose. Cellulose is present in the cell wall of plants. It is made of a number of glucose molecules. A number of glucose molecules combine together to form a cellulose. जब बहुत सारे ग्लूकोज मॉलिक्यूल्स कंबाइन हो जाते हैं, इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं, तो वो क्या बनाते हैं? सेलुलोज. Today's homework is write and learn these questions in notebook. First is what are natural fibers? Give example. The answer is the fibers which are obtained from natural sources like plants and animals are called natural fibers. For example, cotton, wool, silk, etc. Next question is what are synthetic fibers? Give example. The answer is synthetic fibers are not naturally occurring. They are synthesized or manufactured by man-made in factories. For example, nylon, rayon, polyester, etc. Next question, define the following terms. First is monomer, second is polymer, and third is polymerization. The answer is monomers, the small units which combine together chemically to form a large units are called monomers. Polymers, small units are combining together chemically to form a large unit, so that large unit is called polymers. And polymerization, the process by which monomers are combined together to form a polymer is known as polymerization. Thank you.